Apara ni naiwongone to sabiti la tubor ipolo koledo leta kaisara lukanyo lo muntu so district ani kanyango no ludo Ikaramoja keza pote seu tu Peter Day lo ikara kaisa kanyo na lundiope kwa pe ngare no nilode inono keche ide poni anyari tenyesi kwa pe Papaa Ngasuban.
The king will be called Papaa. The symbol, the god is a cow to unite all the Ikaramoja.
Konyeda ibungete na ada ipolo kokesi da Agiroto aseuno ke Peter Day ebe nara imama inapeta chaite ida poni sunya kina inoi omame ida chama na rotoma.
Why can't we first of all merge all these things to all these cultures together? None of us was there in that sitting. That should have been somebody from the Ministry of Culture. That should have been leaders. Getting a king is not something just simple. It's better to get a king, and we all celebrate that today we have a king. Not just to hear to see on phones, on TV.
The process of appreciating this system and then participating in deciding and opting for it were not thoroughly consultative.
Hido icha kezi baka sebe areja muna adumu ngare non ekotoberi temo kina kironuda ipuchu nepeka iwara.
Some culture, some Ikaramoja are still difficult even to hand over guns. They are still difficult. They cannot even much come together like the people of Abim. When will they sit together with the people of Kotido on one round table and discuss something good? It's not there. We need to have peace, general peace. Then we move together, we move freely. Now, how is the king going to move to Kotido if he's from Abim? How is he going to go to Kotido to talk what?
The process of having traditional governance system to strengthen the civil and political systems that we have now should be consultative, should be inclusive. It shouldn't leave anybody behind, and it shouldn't be rushy. All the care should be taken to learn from those who are already practicing it, and then sift what is beneficial to the Ikaramoja.
In every cricket and in every clan, they should have mobilized all the clans. All the clans, bring them together, sensitize them, give them education about what your interests are.
Araide jokoti Ikaramoja imore kikina mamu kesi de chamu nitosa omishoti naja utekeda loda ingare nikit kesi kwa pe kabaka.
But unfortunately today when they talk about a king, this is a new thing to the Ikaramoja vocabulary. They don't have the idea. A few elders who rushed, they want to cause a problem which cannot be understood by all the Ikaramoja society. First of all, the name king is not in their vocabulary. They don't know. But if you are to say, yes, we can have air with it, if they can say a chairman of the elders, that could have worked. With us, we are not for kingship. That is self-promoting.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Ikaramoja.